Nandito po kami sa Pepper and Grill. It's a new restaurant here in IMM. Wow! So they are open at 11:30 and they have a very simple and easy to choose menu. So susubukan natin ng kanilang teriyaki chicken which is $9.90. And then, ano sa'yo? Pinili mo?
Pork.
Pork. So kimchi pork. And we ordered the dessert and iced lemon tea. Saturday morning, it's a long weekend, kaya yung feel and vibes ng mga tao ay masarap. Or ako lang ako yung nakaka-feel. Siyempre, iba talaga yung feeling kapag long weekend. And, ayun, sana magbabike kami pero hindi kami natuloy dahil nga biglang nag-drizzling. And to be safe, nag-box na lang kami. Medyo malapit lang to sa bahay namin. And after renovation, ngayon lang kami ulit magta-try ng mga new restaurant here in IMM. Kasi usually sa Gem tayo or Westgate kumakain. So since nandito kami, dahil meron kaming kinuhang skincare, edi let's just try the Pepper and Grill. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. And the next day after tomorrow is Vesak Day. So it's really a long weekend. Ayan. Nausukat ka tuloy. Happy Saturday! Ano yung loob? Ah! Ay! Ano ba yan? Ay, ano nangyari sa mochi mo? Nagkaroon ng kimchi. We finished. How is it? Masarap.